How to create a Telegram account with Gmail. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipen, and today I'll guide you on how you can create a Telegram account with Gmail. Now first things first, to get things straight, Telegram lets you log in or sign up using the phone number. It uses phone number to verify a user or an account. So there is no any possible way to create an account using your Gmail. There is no any process where you'll be able to sign up with Gmail. You'll need to have a phone number. Now there is an option to it if you don't want to use your personal number to sign up on Telegram, or don't have a number. Now either ways, what you can do is you can use a virtual number always. What you can do is you can head into your browser on your device, and on the browser you can search in for virtual number for OTP. You'll get a list of links there. You can head into those links and you can get the virtual number, use that to sign up, and then you can add up your Gmail later on to secure your account. So this way you can create Telegram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.